Hey guys, Nick here with Ohio Power Tool. If you're already running PACKOUT on your truck or in the shop, you know Milwaukee doesn't just drop new boxes for fun. When they add something to the system, it's usually because it's a real job site problem they're trying to solve. And this time they didn't release just one crate, they dropped 4 new options, including 2 XL versions, all designed to give you faster access, better organization, and more flexibility whether you're wiring, servicing, or just trying to clean up the chaos on your truck. Let's start with the one that's clearly built for electricians. This is the wire pulling XL crate, and it lets you store and pull up to 6 spools of 500-foot 12-gauge THHN wire. And yes, you can actually pull wire right from the box. It comes with a wire pulling insert, and the front opening is wide enough that you can access everything even when it's stacked in your PACKOUT tower. The wire retention slots up front keep individual conductors organized, so you're not fighting a tangled mess halfway through a pull. It's rated for 75 pounds, built with the same impact-resistant body we expect from PACKOUT, and it's fully compatible with all the attachments. You can stack it, hang it on a wall, mount accessories on the outside. It basically turns into a mobile wire station. If you're doing rough ends or service upgrades, this one makes a lot of sense. Next up is the regular XL crate. Same 75-pound capacity, same stack or hang flexibility, same full PACKOUT compatibility. But this one's more open and versatile. It comes with a removable divider, so you can separate tools and materials, or pull it out entirely if you need room for bigger tools. The wide front opening makes grabbing tools easy, even when it's stacked up. And since it's attachment ready on the outside, you can expand your storage without adding another box. This is a great option if you want a larger crate but don't need a wire pulling setup. Now this one is probably going to be a favorite for the service guys out there. The low profile crate has a 50-pound weight capacity and comes with quick adjust dividers so you can dial in exactly how you want. One of the coolest parts, your existing PACKOUT organizer bins fit directly inside. So if you already have organizers in your system, you don't have to change anything. This just drops right in. It's still impact resistant, still stackable, but it's a little more compact vertically. Perfect for hand tools, fittings, hardware, things you need organized but not buried. And then we got the compact crate. This one is simple and practical. The metal reinforced topped handle pops up so you can carry it like a bucket and head straight into the job. The dividers are score and snap style, which is pretty slick. If you want them shorter for easier access, just trim them down with a knife and snap them off. It's rated for 30 pounds, stacks with everything else, and it's ideal for quick service calls when you don't need to bring your entire PACKOUT tower with you. These are expected to start shipping around July into late summer, so they're coming, just not quite here yet. Overall, this feels like Milwaukee listened to how guys actually use their storage. Whether you're pulling wire, organizing hardware, or just trying to make your setup cleaner and faster, there's probably a crate here that fits your workflow. So I want to hear from you. Which one are you adding to your stack? Drop it in the comments. And if you want to stay up to date on when these land and see more new releases before they hit the shelves, make sure you like and subscribe to us. But for now, that's all. So get back to work.